Hey Rose, how are you? Look what we have today.
Wow, cool.
A new thing of toys. The toy company sent us. Let's see what it is. It says it's straws. Building unlimited design yourself. 700 pieces, ages 3 and up. You're 3, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so it's perfect for you. Yeah, 3. All right, so let's open it up and let's give it a try. What do you say?
Yay!
So here's their little idea for us. They built this little thing here. It looks kind of like a rocket ship and this other structure. So let's open it up and let's try to build something.
Okay.
Okay, well, I got the retainer off there. So let's open this baby up and give her a whirl.
Okay.
So we have these cool little colorful connectors here. Rose has a blue one. I have a yellow and a red one.
And don't forget the straws.
Okay, there's the straws. Okay, well, why don't you go ahead and plug that into one of the straws, Rose?
Okay.
So put this in here like that. Go ahead, try it.
Okay.
I'll show you. I'll do one. So I have my straw and I have my little connector. And I'll put the straw and the connector together like that. So that's how we connect the straws together. Rose has put a nice blue one here with a nice orange one. So we'll put those together. All right, great job, Rose.
Okay.
So we have, put your water over there. So we've made a little bit of a structure here already. And you can just keep on building as high as you want and do kind of whatever you want. Nice, Rose. So Rose and I, we built a nice little cube and we're just building our structure up. The possibilities are endless with these little straws on the things you can build. As you can see, the little guy here on the side built a whole rocket ship. So Rose and I, we're going to get to building the rest of our rocket ship. Right, Rose?
Mm-hmm.
So she's still working on the construction. Do you give it a thumbs up, Rose?
Hold on. I'm still doing this.
Okay.
It's a little tricky for me.
It is a little tricky because you're still 3.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe when you get 4, it'll be a little easier?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, there's Rose's review right there. It's still a little tricky for her, but she still gives it a thumbs up. So we got a thumbs up. We've got room to grow with this. She needs a little bit of Papa's help to build right now, but as she gets older, you're going to be able to build your own structures, right, Rose?
Uh-huh.
All right. So we like it. We give it a thumbs up. It's a little tricky for 3-year-olds, but as you grow and get better fine motor skills, definitely a thumbs up and a lot of fun. So say bye for now, Rose.
Bye for now.
Bye.